Efficiency comes by knowledge, skill, and attitude. But these things, you find many people are having these things. People are knowledgeable, people got the very good skill, they got also good attitudes. But the point here is, the people who are competent are not eligible to become the civil servants, or they cannot become leaders. You might have seen many of the people who are well versed in their computer skills, in the cyber crimes. You might have seen all people are knowledgeable, skillful, they got attitude of stealing others' money. Can we call these people as the leaders? No. This is important, but it's not adequate. You need to have the second one called character. Now, how can we measure a person with character? Whom can we call the character-oriented person? Now tell me, whom do you like? A person with good knowledge or a person with good character? Character is important. You want to take a person as your friend, character is important. Yes or no? Yes. Now, how can we measure the character? If you want to employ any person, you need the character. So UPSC wants a character-oriented person to be the civil servant. Otherwise, this person is going to make a big mess. We have been seeing already how some of the people are pillaging the country and the guys are the IAS officers, because there is no character with those guys. So the question here is, this is very important, character. So tell me, how can you measure the character? How can you take a person as your friend? At the highest level, you invite the person into your life, isn't it? After you get into your services, the next step is inviting a person to your life as your spouse. Now, how are you going to select that person into your life? By character? Yes or no? Yes or no? Then how can you look at, how can you measure within a short span of time, how can you say this person got the character or not? Because UPSC got only 25 to 30 minutes time only. In 25 to 30 minutes, they have to just select a person with a character. How can they measure and how can they select a person? Again, three important ingredients. Stephen Covey, in his book, The 7 Habits, he talks about the trustworthiness. The trust is very crucial. So the trustworthiness comes by competence and characters. The character, he said, the three components. Number one is called, again, three. This is called integrity. Integrity. So your paper also is called the paper of what? Ethics, integrity, and aptitude. So this is a very, very crucial factor we are coming here. Integrity. What is integrity? So how do you understand this? It's not mere honesty. It's beyond honesty. It's beyond honesty. So integrity is about you always doing the right thing. The person who does always the right thing, such a person is called an integrated person. Okay, we are going to see number of definitions and the connotations later. Okay, but remember, integrity means always doing the right thing. Number two, called maturity. So whom can we call a matured person? So the opposite word is immaturity. Immaturity we don't like. We want a matured person. Yes or no? Yes or no? Then whom can we call the matured person? Who is a matured person? So maturity also got two qualities. One is called C plus C. This is what is known as courage of convictions. What is courage of conviction? You might have seen today, means of late, because the elections are going on, you get a seat in one party, but you are denied of the seat. So this person is jumping to other party. That person is also not getting the seat. Again, he's jumping to other party. So very recently, one person from one party jumped to other party to the other party. And suppose if the other party is not for giving, then he go for some other XYZ. Can we call this person with the courage of conviction? No. Courage of conviction means when you believe something and the entire world is against you. When you believe something and the entire world is against you, are you going to change your opinion? If you change your opinion, this is called convenience, a person of convenience. But we want a person of convictions. So you are not going to change your opinion like Mahatma Gandhi when he went for Chauri Chowra, at the type of Chauri Chowra. Entire world, the people say, including Nehru, you might have seen the movie called The Gandhi, said, Bapu, the entire nation is in the move. Don't withdraw the movement at the Chauri Chowra. He said, no, our people are not ready for this satyagraha, so I am withdrawing it. He stood on his own convictions. That's why Gandhi is a great man, because he's a man of convictions, not conveniences. So, what is important for maturity called courage of convictions. The second C stands for consideration towards others. Consideration means what? He first listens to other people. Look from their perspective, their point of view. Then they come to a conclusion. So, if you have courage of conviction and consideration for others, then you are a matured person. Otherwise, no, it's called immaturity. Okay, so the third quality is called abundance mentality. Abundance mentality. What is this abundance mentality? You must always, in a very optimistic way, tomorrow brings greatness to you. So you always invite tomorrow with open hands. Never ever think that, okay, this is very limited, so COVID has come, so it is the end of mankind. So such thing is called the negative aspect. But a positive person is a person who always goes by what? Yes, tomorrow is a good day. Every day is a good day to a wise person. So you are inviting that Mother Nature will take care of me. I need not worry about tomorrow. Tomorrow takes care of itself. When you do the things today rightly, then tomorrow takes by itself. So you need not worry. So that type of mindset, optimistic mindset, is known as abundance mentality. అయిపోయిందా? ఆ తర్వాత పెద్ద ఉన్నాయి కదా. ఇప్పుడు బ్రేక్ ఇంకా టైం పడుతుంది. లోపల డిస్ట్రిబ్యూట్ చేసేస్తుంది. Okay, so this type of competence and character both are making you a leader. Making you a leader. Out of these two, which is more important? Both are important. You cannot say that this is important, this is not important. Both are important, but a slight edge will be with character. Because we can get these people in plenty, but we can get people with lesser quantity. Right? So that's the reason a mix of these two makes a great leader.